Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Raila Firdausi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. My dear students, hope that all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, we are also fine. Today, we are going to discuss an unseen comprehension. This is unseen comprehension number 5. I am repeating. Today for class 5, in subject English, we are going to discuss unseen comprehension number 5. This is our lecture number 15 and here is my phone number. Okay, my dear students, let's start our class. This is unseen comprehension number 5. First, we have to read the text and answer the questions 5, 6, 7. Let's start reading. Firoz collects rubbish from the Badda area in Dhaka. Every morning, he wakes up at 5 o'clock and walks along the streets of Badda to collect rubbish. People of Badda put their rubbish in plastic bins and leave them in front of their houses. Firoz walks from door to door to collect them. Sometimes the bins are very dirty and they smell bad. But Firoz does not mind. He takes out everything from the bins and puts them in a large plastic bag. He believes that all jobs are important. He works hard every day to collect the rubbish. He works hard every day to keep this area clean. Last month, Firoz was sick for 2 days, so he could not come to collect the rubbish. The people of Badda were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their houses. The whole area became dirty and unhygienic. When Firoz got well, he came back to Badda. He collected everything from all the bins. Firoz does not want to fall sick again. He realizes if he stops working even for a few days only, the whole area will turn into a big dustbin. Now, we have to answer question number 5. It is said, write whether the statements are true or false. We have to identify the statements are true or false. Number A. Firoz collects rubbish from Bonusri area. Is it correct? Is it true? No, it is false because see in the comprehension. Firoz collects rubbish from the Badda area in Dhaka. So this will be false. We have to write answer false. Now, see number B. Firoz is a waste collector. Is it correct? Yes, he is a waste collector. The answer is correct. So it will be true. Now see number C. He takes out everything from bins and throws them in the river. He takes out everything from bins and throws them in river. Is it correct? Let's see. Is the answer correct or not? See here, Firoz walks from door to door to collect them. Sometimes the beans are very dirty and smell bad, but Firoz doesn't mind. He takes out everything from the beans and put them in a large plastic bag. He takes out everything from the beans and puts them in a large plastic bag. So this answer is not correct. He doesn't throw them in the river. Okay, so the answer will be false. Number D, the people of Badda area owe to Firoz. Here owe to means they are grateful to Firoz. Yes, is it correct? Because if Firoz doesn't collect the rubbish, they have to live with the piles of waste or dirty things. So the people of Badda area owe to Firoz. This is correct. So the answer will be true. Number E. Once Firoz was sick and whole area became dirty. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct because here it is written last month Firoz was sick for 2 days, so he could not come to collect the rubbish. The people of Badda area were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their houses. So this is correct. This is true. Answer true. Now, number F. Firoz collected the rubbish during his sickness. Is it correct? No, he doesn't did so. See here, when Firoz got well, he came back to Badda. That means whenever he was sick, he didn't collect rubbish. So the answer is false. Now see number G. The sentence, the whole area became dirty, is in present tense. The whole area became dirty. Now we have to identify the tense. To identify the tense here, we have to look at the verb. Is the verb here, the whole area became dirty. The became is the verb here. Became is the verb here. This is the past form of become. This is the past form of become. So this sentence is not in present tense. The answer is false. Now come number 6. Fill in the gaps with the correct word from the box below. There are some extra words which you need not use. Number A. First, let's see the words rich, collector, grateful, pleased, early, calm, 5 o'clock. Number A. Firoz is a garbage dash. Garbage what? Garbage rich? No. Collector? Yes. Firoz is a garbage collector. So the answer will be garbage collector. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-O-R. Collector. Firoz is a garbage collector. Number B. Firoz is dash with his job. Firoz is rich? No. Grateful? No. Pleased? Yes. Firoz is pleased with his job because he is happy with his job. So there will be pleased. P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pleased. Now number C. The people of Badda are dash to Firoz. The people of Badda are rich? No. Grateful? Yes. Grateful to Firoz. They are grateful to Firoz because if Firoz doesn't collect the waste, the full area will become a bin. So the people of Badda are grateful to Firoz. Now number D. He wakes up at dash in the morning. So which one is the answer here? Rich? No. Early? No. Calm? No. 5 o'clock. He wakes up at 5 o'clock in the morning. The answer will be 5 o'clock. Now see number E. Due to illness, Firoz could not dash to collect rubbish. Firoz could not come. Firoz could not come to collect rubbish. Okay. Now let's see question number 7. Answer the following questions. Number A. What are the plastic bins used for? What are the plastic bins used for? We have found out in the question answer that people of Badda put their rubbish in plastic bins and leave them in front of their houses. So we can answer like this way, that the plastic bins are used for keeping rubbish. The plastic bins are used for keeping rubbish. Then number B. Why does Firoz walk from door to door? Why? See here, Firoz walks from door to door to collect them. To collect them means to collect what? To collect the rubbish. So the answer is Firoz walks from door to door to collect rubbish. Then number C. What does he believe? What does he believe? He believes that all jobs are important. So we will write the answer. He believes that all jobs are important. Then number D. Why are the people of Badda area in great trouble? Why? Sorry, not are. Why, where? There will be where. Why were the people of Badda area in great trouble? The answer is here. See. The people of Badda were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their houses. The whole area became dirty and unhygienic. So the answer we can write like this way. Firoz was sick for 2 days and could not collect rubbish. As a result, there were piles of rubbish waiting in front of houses and people were in great trouble. Okay? And people in Badda area were in great trouble. We can write here, people in Badda area were in great trouble. Now number E. What will happen if Firoz falls sick again? What will happen? The answer is, if Firoz falls sick again, there will be piles of rubbish in front of the houses and bad smell will spread all over and the area will become dirty and unhygienic. I am repeating, if Firoz falls sick again, there will be piles of rubbish in front of the houses and bad smell will spread all over and the area will become dirty and unhygienic. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you are practicing very well at your home. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.